Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I take care of myself every month. So this will be a monthly maintenance video as there are many festivals coming up, so I need to get my glow up. I do some things weekly also and some things once in a month. So I'll be showing you guys what and all I do to get a glowing skin. So let's get started. First I'll be showing you how I take care of my hair. For this I'm taking 2 glass of water and adding rosemary leaves to it. I'm also adding kalonji seeds which will help in the growth of hair and strengthening the hair. I'm boiling both of this until the quantity of the water reduces to half. Once it is done, I'm sieving this into a glass and pouring it into a spray bottle. This you can refrigerate for almost 2 to 3 weeks and reuse it. I'm spraying this on the roots of my hair and simultaneously massaging it so that I have a good blood circulation. This rosemary water has helped a lot in reducing my hair fall. It strengthens my hair and has also helped me in new hair growth. I normally apply this water a night before I take a hair wash so that it does its job. After washing the hair, I apply the hair serum. I'm using the Streaks hair serum. This serum helps in entangling my hair and it makes my hair so smooth. I just love this. I have made a complete review of this as well on my channel. I'll give the link of this in the description box. I have a lot of hair growth on my upper lips, chin area and eyebrows. I normally remove them using a facial razor. I apply the aloe vera gel before shaving my hair to avoid any rashes. Once I've applied the aloe vera gel, I will let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I will start shaving my face. I just stretch my skin and shave in the direction of the hair one by one. My hair grows once in 2 days, so I normally shave my face 2 to 3 times in a week. After I'm done shaving my face, I apply the aloe vera gel again or I apply a moisturizer as well, and it just makes my face so smooth. After shaving my face, I'm making a face pack to get the glow. For this, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of gram flour, a pinch of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and 1 teaspoon of curd and mixing it to a consistency of a face pack. See to it that it is not too runny. You can add water as per the consistency you need, and I am applying it all over my face evenly. Once it is dried, I wash my face and this face pack gives instant glow to the face. It makes the face so smooth and glowy. After I'm done with the face pack, I allow my skin to rest for some time and then apply the Swiss Beauty eye patch over the under eyes. This eye patch has aloe vera in it and it gives such a cooling effect on my eyes. I just feel so relaxed after applying it. This is all that I do for my face, and then for the legs I do a pedicure at home itself. For this I am taking half bucket of warm water. I am adding here 1 tablespoon of salt and mixing it, and then I soak my legs in it for minimum 15 to 20 minutes. This relaxes all the stress in your legs. All the dry skin in your legs gets softened. Then I am using this scrubber to remove the dead skins on my heel, and I just keep doing it until I feel it is smooth. Then I just wipe the legs out and use a pedicure tool to push the cuticles behind, then clean the dirts inside the nails. Here I am removing the nail polish with a nail polish remover and removing the dirt again. Then I am applying a coat of nail polish. I just love pastel color nail polish. Once I apply the nail polish, I get a different glow on my legs. And this is how I do a pedicure at home, and my legs feel so fresh and smooth. I have a lot of hair growth on my hand and leg. For this I use the Gillette razor which comes in set of 5. For this I normally wet my hand and apply a soap. You can also use a body wash. Apply it on your hand and allow the hair to get smoothened. Then I normally shave my hand. I do not regularly shave my hands and legs. I do only when it is required, like for some functions or for some festival. I allow my hair to grow naturally rather than shaving it on a regular basis. So this is how my hand looks after shaving the hair. After I am done with the shaving, I apply any moisturizer generously. This will heal any rashes or any cuts, if any, you have got during shaving. So this step I do not miss at all, because after you apply the moisturizer, your hand feels so smooth and fresh again. So this is how I take care of my skin and body, and let me know in the comment section what did you feel about it. I hope this video helps you in taking care of your skin for this upcoming festive season and forever. So if you like this video, then do like the video, share it among your friends, and please subscribe to the channel. I will meet you in the next video. Bye.